Hey guys, let's install Nmap using Chocolatey on Windows 10. So we jump over here and I did a little search on the Chocolatey site on chocolatey.org, and looks like we have the option to install Nmap, or looks like there's a package here that we can use. There's some other port scanning packages too. Let's try Nmap. So really all you have to do is say choco install Nmap, and that's really as easy as it's supposed to be, right? So it is supposed to be that easy. That's kind of the beauty of Chocolatey. So let's jump over here and let's paste this. You know, it's not pasting. Choco install Nmap, and yes, we want to continue. And let's see if it has any issues not having, an elevated shell. We might want to run this as administrator, but let's give it a shot. I know certain features of Nmap may need administrator privileges just to run, but let's see how this goes. All right, so it did not like that very much. Let's open up a privileged shell. There we go. A shell as admin. Now let's try choco install Nmap. There we go. Looks like it's working pretty nicely. Let's agree. This is kind of what you would get. Yeah, I think this is fine. This is basically what you'd get with the regular Nmap installer if you were to download it. And there we go. Finish. All right, let's see if it runs without creating a new shell. Nmap. All right, so maybe not. All right, let's see if it runs in our other shell. You know what? Let's close this and open a new PowerShell. All right, there we go. So I've saved my network in IP here. Let's copy this. Now let's try scanning the host that I'm on here. It's a .57. All right, as we can see, I have port 135, 139, 445, and 2179 open. So that's pretty neat, and that was pretty quick, which it should be, I guess. So yeah, Nmap is working pretty nicely. Let's try scanning the network. This is my home network. Don't do this on someone else's network. Be safe, follow the rules, all that stuff. So this is my home private network. Let's try scanning it. Let's see how quick this is. It might take a little bit. Doesn't look like it's... There we go. And that was relatively quick. It wasn't an intense scan or anything, but it was a quick, port scan and host detection. So you can see we have a bunch of hosts with different ports open. I'm running servers and, like a Mac and Windows box and Linux boxes and all sorts of stuff on my network. And I have other people running stuff on my network too. So yeah, there's a ton of stuff here, and this is basically what it looks like from the command line. You can see a bunch of open ports and a bunch of different hosts. Basically standard Nmap stuff. Let's try running it with like this. This should avoid let's see here. This should avoid running an actual port scan. So let's run it with this option. And there we go. This was just a quick host discovery, even faster. Doesn't tell you the open ports, but it shows you what devices are here. Now, there may be more devices that weren't discovered, but this is what I was able to see with the current options I supplied to it. Now, we're not doing like a full Nmap tutorial or anything like that today. I just wanted to show you how you can install it using Chocolatey and, just kind of demo that it works. And it is most definitely working on Windows 10 now. So this is kind of what we set out to do. Hopefully you found this useful or at least entertaining or interesting. You might want to give us a thumbs up. Also, you might want to hit that subscribe button. We also have a ton of other great content you're not going to want to miss. Coding, automation, servers, 3D printing, single board computers, electronics, hardware, software, basically everything tech related, all sorts of interesting stuff you're not going to want to miss. So hit that subscribe button and hit the little bell icon so you don't miss updates. Otherwise, YouTube probably won't even let you know when we come out with a new video. Hit that bell icon and you can be sure that they will let you know. That's pretty much it for today. So as always, thanks for watching and we will see you guys on the next video.